It is Sunday today and I'm just studying for my pharma exam, which is on Thursday. And I'm gonna try and film my exam week as much as I can this week because it's been a while since I filmed a Hell Week vlog. I just finished eating dinner and it's been so long since I cooked that much food for my family. I just feel like I'm so tired of studying, so I made it an excuse to just cook dinner instead of studying. But anyway, time to study again. So far, I studied 2 topics today, one for pedia and then one for pharma, because those are the first 2 subjects for exam on Thursday.
나 없을 때 생각한 거잖아. 혼자 생각한 거잖아.
Sunday today and I have an exam tomorrow. I think I have 4 more exams left for next week. So I'm studying for neuro and then I also have a med exam tomorrow. And then I have surgery and also pathology on the following days. Hi everyone, today is a Monday. I just finished my exams for today. I had 2 exams which were medicine 1 and neuro, and then I have 2 more exams left. Tomorrow we have surgery and then on Wednesday we have pathology. So yeah, I'm gonna take a break for like 30 minutes because I just need to rest my head. I've been studying so much and then super na-drain ako dun sa exam. I don't even want to talk about it. But yeah, I'll try to study later and I'll update you when I do. This is my current study setup. I just have my iPad pencil. I also made coffee. This is my first time trying this out. I need to like figure out how I can make it better, but it's okay so far. I also have my phone here. And then I'm also on Discord with my friend. I'm just waiting for her. Yeah, because we usually study together. And then while waiting for her, I'm just finishing up a podcast. It is the next day. I'm so sorry. Wala talaga ako masyadong ma-film because I've been really busy. So I think I'm gonna connect this exam week vlog with my province vlog because I'm gonna be going there after exams tomorrow. The next day after exams. But anyway, tapos na exam ko for today. We had surgery and then last exam tomorrow. After exams, I just showered. I got a snack. I have my coffee and the noodles with tteokbokki. Super good. I'm just waiting for my friends to join Discord because again, I just like studying with them para ma-motivate ako and also ma-motivate sila. Is currently 9:26 And my exam is at 1. It's at 2, but you have to log in around 1 for environment checking. I'm so tired. I feel like this is the hardest subject out of everything because it has the most topics to study, and I'm not even done. Wish me luck. I am finally done with my exams. I already got ready because I'm gonna go to the grocery today. We are going to the province later, or probably tomorrow, I'm not sure. So I'm gonna buy snacks for our kind of road trip. So yeah, that's the plan. My last exam pala was patho, and it was so freaking hard. I think it was the hardest exam for this exam period. I hate it, but wala pang score, so I don't know if I did well or not. But I don't want to think about it. I just want to relax and enjoy my Holy Week break. I'm just fixing my stuff for later, but also I'm just waiting for Anton because he's gonna go with me to the grocery today. And yeah. So we're here. Grocery tour. Where am I going? Yep. My mini camera. It's not even focused. Oh my god. Sister vlog takeover. It's a Wednesday today. Thursday. Oh, Thursday? Thursday? Thursday. It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Okay, so I am now home. I'm about to pack up my stuff. But before that, I'm trying to decide what book to bring or what books to bring with me. And also, I saw that I didn't do a haul before. So I have books that I got from Amazon. I think nung December ko pa siya in-order, tapos I just got it nung January, but I never got to film it. So I have The Mistake, yung second book ng Off-Campus series by L. Kennedy. And then I also bought Exodus, the second book of the Raven Hood series, Punk 57. This is actually a Christmas gift from Anton. I got books from Fully Booked. By the way, the books I got are books I got from January, Feb, March, April. So 4 months. I'm on like a book buying ban, and also for this year, my goal is to only buy at most 1 to 2 books a month. So far, nagagawa ko naman. So, yeah. So, these are the books I got. First, Reminders of Him. I'm definitely gonna read this in the province. I'm kind of scared because I might cry. But I'm gonna buddy read this with my friend. So, I'm gonna bring this. And then, Malibu Rising. I'm so excited to read this. I also got Daisy Jones and the Six. I already read this and I loved it, but I just bought the copy so that I could complete my Taylor Jenkins Reid book collection, and so far I have completed it. The Soulmate Equation by Christina Lauren, and this is the limited edition one, or like the special edition one. Ito yung my bonus paperback exclusive epilogue and excerpt from the next Christina Lauren novel. Oh wait, I think that's Wild something. I forgot what the new book is called. And then lastly, I have 2 more books, both from Koho again. I bought Slammed, the black cover edition. And then my current read is Confess by Koho. I'm trying to finish this tonight so that I don't have to bring it with me. So far, I'm like 1/3 of the book pa lang, but hopefully I get to finish it. Okay, so that is it for my book haul, and I'm just gonna let you know later what I end up bringing. I sort of finished packing. I just have to put my laptop and my iPad there later. But I have my clothes. Hindi ko na na-film yung packing process kasi it took a while. I have my skincare and makeup in here. Oh my gosh, paubos na to. So, ayan. And then, yun nga, lalagay ko yung iPad ko dyan. And then, yung laptop. And then, I also have this bag for my chargers. And then, yung lalagyan na ng glasses ko. I still can't decide if I'm gonna bring all 5. Pero, okay naman kasi feeling ko hindi ko naman ito mababasa. I think I need to bring at most 3. I don't know. We'll see. My iPad pencil. These are the clothes I'm gonna be wearing tomorrow. And then, nandito lang yung wallet ko. First, I have my cleanser. I need to put this in my bag, but I just have the Face Republic cleanser that I love so much. And then I used this toner. This is a cabbage calming toner pad, so it has pre-soaked pads already, so it looks like that. And then I used this one because the serum that I normally use I already put in my bag, so I wanted to try this one, and so far I like it. It's really perfect for dry skin. And then I also used an eye mask for today, so it just looks like this. After I'm done with my eye mask, I'm gonna remove it and then put on sunscreen. I'm just using the sunscreen from Face Republic. I think they changed their formulation and I like this so much more than before, so I highly recommend this. But while waiting for my eye mask to settle in, I'm gonna read a book. Hopefully I finish this tonight. We're leaving at around 3 a.m. It's around 12 already, so hopefully I can finish this so that I can bring a different book. Ethan! It's so bright. Wow, nice. It's the best spot. It's so bright.
Yeah, turn off.
Go swim! Isang! On the way back home with my siblings. Lola's there. Bye-bye!